Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dorklord token on the Solana blockchain. Now the original Dorklord token came out a while ago. I actually forget which chain it was on. It was on, I think, Ethereum. Could be BNB, but pretty sure the original one was on Ethereum. You can correct me if I'm wrong down there in the comments. But now, you know, Solana meme coins are very popular. So a lot of these famous memes that have been on other chains are being reintroduced on the Solana blockchain. And this is another one. So the ticker symbol for this one is Dlord. And this one, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing coming soon. And we're going to go over the information on the Dorklord on Solana token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on DEX tools if you want to check out the price, the chart, all that type of stuff. I believe you could also find it on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap and SoulScan, of course, DEX Screener, Bird Eye. It's actually trending number 4 right now on DEX tools. I just pulled it up here, doing very well right now. There's a current supply. Looks like it started out with 1 billion tokens. It's deflationary. Right now it's at 999,999,230.5 tokens. 6 decimal places on this token. And yeah, name of the token is Dorklord. Ticker symbol is Dlord. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing on a couple different central exchanges. So the first one is Bitmart. Now it doesn't give an exact date. It just says upcoming new listing. Bitmart is thrilled to announce the listing of Dlord. Dlord, the Dorklord, sovereign of the shadows, calls forth the crypto degens to rise and claim dominion in the meme coin space, forging a legacy where the bold become legends. So it says listing soon. It doesn't give an exact date, so eventually you'll be able to get this token here on Bitmart. But I just saw a brand new listing announcement starting today. It says starting April 26th, which is tomorrow, at 12 o'clock UTC time, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Dlord, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Mexc Global, starting tomorrow, April 26th, 12 o'clock UTC time. Bitmart will probably be around the same time, but like I said, it's not announced yet. And prior to this on Mexc, basically starting when you see this video, there's also a Kickstarter event going on Mexc Global where you could vote with MX tokens and you could win part of a reward pool worth 30,000 USDT. So you could check out that Kickstarter event on Mexc as well. Now, Dorklord's webpage is just dorklord.com. Over there they have Twitter, Telegram, Chart, SoulScan, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap links, contract address, all sorts of information over there. And it kind of looks like Star Wars type of page. It's like a really cool web page if you want to check it out there. And they also have here, it says, the rise of the Dorklord. In the vast expanse of the digital universe, a new power emerged from the shadows, casting a long dark cloak over the vibrant world of meme coins. This was one of the Matt Fury's Boys Club character, Pepe, Andy, Brett, and Landwolf. So if you are not familiar, with all the characters, Pepe, they have Brett, but there's a new meme coin, Brit, that just came out. There's so many Matt Fury characters with so many, tokens named after the characters. There's even a Matt Fury token. There's insane amounts of these Boys Club tokens that are very popular. And a lot of them are just being reintroduced onto the Solana or the base chain right now because those are the very popular chains right now for meme coins. So that's why this one got reintroduced. So they become icons not just in the crypto space, but symbols of camaraderie and digital frontier explorations. But beyond their light and success, a darker narrative was unfolding. The Dorklord, the enigmatic final boss of the collection, had been the puppet master all along. As the legend goes, Dorklord was not just another character in the collection, but a symbol of ultimate authority and control. He represents the pinnacle of dominance. As the Dorklord emerged during the most turbulent times in the digital currency, he was called upon by the crypto degens. The Dorklord's appeal struck a chord with the hearts of many. Dark image wrapped in mystique. And yeah, so anyways, it's just a big story there on their webpage. We don't need to go over the whole story, but you can check it out at dorklord.com. Let's just go over the statistics here before we wrap this video up. So they have a market cap right now of $4.87 million. 1,490 holders so far. They have $230,000 in liquidity in Raydium right now. 24-hour trading volume is $684,000. Now, they have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. They have a community trust score of, let's see here, 92.2% out of 116 votes. And they have a quick audit here by Quick Intel Security. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and it also says no other risks. So that's just a quick audit. Keep that in mind. It's not a full audit. You should always look for full audits, of course. But yeah, that's about it on this token. So getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange, Mexc Global. It's going to be listed on Bitmart soon as well, so stay tuned for that. Go check it out. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.